Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. If you love powerful AI tools that help save time and let you make money even while you sleep, then you've come to the right place. Before we start, click subscribe and check the link in the description. And after subscribing and filling out the quick form, I'll send you a list of 800 of the best AI apps you can use today to start a side business, automate content, and create passive income. Be sure to watch the whole video because at the end, I'll reveal a little-known YouTube tip that can help you turn these AI-created videos into real income faster than you think. CapCut has just released an extremely impressive AI Video Maker update. It's truly top-notch. Whether you're shy about appearing on camera or just want to produce faceless videos super fast, this is the tool for you. Make sure you've downloaded the CapCut desktop version, because what I'm about to show is a bit different from the mobile and online versions. I've placed the download link below. Use it to get a free 7-day trial of CapCut Pro. And the good news is the AI Video Maker feature is completely free. So you can create a whole batch of videos without spending a dime. Here's a video I created in just a few minutes.
Chicken. And we are here today to show you the best video editing app out there. With CapCut, you can easily create high-quality edits with just a few taps. Our characters will show you some of the amazing features that CapCut has to offer. So let's get started with the easy-to-use interface. Even if you're a beginner, you can start editing in seconds. But don't be fooled by its simple interface. CapCut is also a powerful tool for professionals with advanced features like keyframe animation.
Smooth, right? Pretty awesome, isn't it? Now let's go step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. Open CapCut Desktop. In the top right corner, click AI Video Maker. You'll see an interface with several options: New Project, Instant AI Video, Brainstorm with AI, Avatar Video, and Match Media to Script. For this tutorial, I'll choose New Project. You need a script first. You can paste one directly. Or my favorite, let CapCut AI write it. Click Create with AI, type the topic, add a few bullet points, then select the video length. Want your video to have its own style. Add notes like create an eye-catching and slightly bold hook. Remember, the first 3 seconds decide everything. Investor Naval Ravikant once said, "Play long-term games with long-term people. The opening is the start of that game." Next, switch to the Scenes tab and choose a voice. CapCut has dozens of real human voices. You can scroll and click the heart icon to save your favorite. Many creators pick the Atom voice because it sounds extremely professional. Click Apply to all scenes so CapCut automatically splits the script and assigns the voice to each section. If a sentence is too long, be sure to shorten it so each scene contains just a manageable piece of dialogue.
The world's 5 most breathtaking destinations that will leave you speechless. Number 5, Santorini, Greece. The iconic whitewashed buildings perched on the dramatic volcanic cliffs overlooking the azure Aegean Sea. No, for Maldives, a paradise made up of islands with crystal clear turquoise waters, pristine white sand beaches, and overwater bungalows. Nomor 3, Bali, Indonesia. From its emerald rice terraces to ancient temples, tropical beaches, and vibrant cultural heritage, Bali is truly a breathtaking destination. Number 2, Swiss Alps, Switzerland. The majestic snow-capped peaks, pristine alpine lakes, and charming mountain villages make the Swiss Alps a truly mesmerizing sight. And the most breathtaking destination that will leave you speechless, Kyoto, Japan.
Now click Media. You can create AI images right inside CapCut. Upload your own photos or videos, or use CapCut's massive stock library. Type a keyword, for example, big city, and CapCut will automatically find high-quality stock clips. If a clip is too short for the voiceover, just click Replace to choose a longer one. A small adjustment like this keeps the visuals perfectly synced with the narration. Next is elements to add subtitles. Don't pick plain text, try animated styles or captions with emojis to make the video more lively. With a single click, you've got eye-catching subtitles that hold viewers' attention. Choose music and search by mood: romantic, upbeat, cinematic. Be sure to pick music that matches the length of the video. Then adjust the aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok. These small details give your video a professional look.
The world's 5 most breathtaking destinations that will leave you speechless. Number 5, Santorini, Greece. The iconic whitewashed buildings perched on the dramatic volcanic cliffs overlooking the azure Aegean Sea.
When you're satisfied, click Export and you're done. Want more customization? Edit more to open CapCut's full editor, where you can fine-tune transitions, keyframes, and advanced effects. A quick money-making tip: create list-style videos like top 5 ways to build self-discipline and post them as shorts every day. Shorts boost views super fast, helping you reach YouTube's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch-hour partner program milestones sooner. More watch time equals faster monetization. Want to move even faster? Go back to the AI Video Maker main screen, click Templates, choose a category, and just enter a single command. CapCut will automatically write the script, choose the voice, and assemble the video in under 3 minutes.
Amazing animal and nature facts that will blow your mind. This is incredible. A small animal like a salamander experiences time much slower than us humans. This is because their brains process information much slower than our brains do. So basically, the smaller the animal, the slower it experiences time.
This is an excellent solution for anyone who wants to upload videos consistently. And here's the promised secret: if you upload 3 to 5 high-quality AI videos each week for 90 consecutive days, YouTube's algorithm will push your channel strongly. Combine this with shorts and you'll reach monetization and your first income much faster than most beginners. Remember Naval Ravikant's words: learn to make money while you sleep, or you will work until you die. These AI tools are the first step toward that freedom. If this tutorial was helpful, click like, share it with friends who want to grow a YouTube channel, and don't forget to click subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides. Leave your questions or the link to your first CapCut AI video in the comments. I'd love to check it out.